Okay, now we're getting to the fun stuff. Let's learn some Korean food and drink vocabulary. If you ever visit Korea, these are the words that are going to save your life because everything in Korea revolves around eating. Let's start with the basics. Mol is water. Simple, one syllable, easy to remember. And then there's pop, which means rice. But here's the thing about pop, it doesn't just mean rice, it also means meal. So when a Korean person asks you, 밥 먹었어? They're not asking if you ate rice specifically, they're asking if you've eaten. That's how central rice is to Korean food culture. Rice is the meal. Next is one you've probably already heard of, kimchi, fermented vegetables, usually cabbage, and it shows up at literally every Korean meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, it's always on the table. Now let's talk drinks. Coffee is coffee. Sound familiar? That's because it comes from the English word. Korea has a massive coffee culture, by the way. There's a cafe on practically every corner. Cha means tea and uyu is milk. For something sweet, juice is juice, and that's another borrowed English word. For something a little more fun, maekju is beer, and soju is soju. If you don't know soju yet, it's Korea's most popular alcohol. It's clear, it's smooth, and it goes with everything. You'll see green bottles of it at every restaurant and every get-together in Korea. Alright, let's get into the food. 빵 is bread. Gogi is meat. 생선 is fish. 과일 is fruit, and 채소 is vegetable. These are your basic building blocks, the words you'd need at any grocery store or market. Now let's get to the dishes, and this is where it gets really good. 라면 is ramyun or instant noodles. Every Korean household has ramyun in the cupboard. It's the ultimate comfort food, especially on a rainy day. 비빔밥 is bibimbap, which is mixed rice with vegetables, meat, and a spicy sauce all stirred together. It's colorful, it's delicious, and it's one of the most popular Korean dishes worldwide. Bulgogi is bulgogi, which is grilled marinated meat. The word literally breaks down to bul meaning fire and goji meaning meat, fire meat. Doesn't that just sound amazing? Then there's tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes. This is Korea's #1 street food. It's chewy, it's spicy, it's sweet, and once you try it, you'll be hooked. And here's one that might surprise you. Chicken, yep, that's fried chicken straight from the English word. Koreans are absolutely obsessed with fried chicken. It's crispy, it comes in all kinds of flavors, and the classic combo is chicken and maekju together, which Koreans call chimaek. It's basically a national pastime. And to finish on a sweet note, ice cream is ice cream, another English loanword. You'll notice Korean borrows a lot of food words from English, so some of these are easier to remember than you'd think. So that's your Korean food and drink vocabulary. Honestly, just knowing these words will make eating your way through Korea so much easier. And trust me, eating your way through Korea is something you absolutely want to do. See you in the next one.